For more than 80 years, CHOPIN Technologies has focused on providing the cereal industry with quality control tools and methods meeting its needs. CHOPIN Technologies' Infraneo allows users to measure for the quantity of several components present in grains and their byproducts, such as protein, gluten, moisture, or even ash content. The employed technology is near-infrared transmission spectroscopy. The light that crosses the sample is analyzed and compared to a database in order to determine with precision the quantity of components found. The results of 25 years of experience in the domain of infrared analysis have led to the Infraneo being equipped with a latest generation grating monochromator and an automatic adjustment system that ensures precision and reliability. Every time the device is switched on, a series of tests are automatically performed to ensure proper functioning. The Infraneo can be transported from one place to another with no risk of drift. In addition to its ultra-performing measuring system, the Infraneo is equipped with an embedded Windows PC with 4 front-facing USB ports for optimal accessibility and an Ethernet output for remote control or intervention by the CHOPIN Technologies customer support service. The sample presentation system, the whole grain hopper, and the Neo Cup kit for powdered grains allows for a very fast and reliable analysis. The operation of the device is particularly simple. Choose the product to be analyzed from the drop-down menu. Place your grain in the hopper or fill the Neo Cup with the powdered product. Press Analyze. Name the sample to be analyzed. Press Test. Once the test is complete, results from the test will display on the screen and the opportunity to print a receipt of results is available. All analyses are displayed and classified by date in order to ensure a traceability of up to 100,000 analyses. The precision and accuracy of the measurements, along with the calibrations developed by the CHOPIN Technologies Application Service in partnership with French and international institutes, ensure the reliability of the results. A list of more than 60 calibrations is already available. With Infraneo, you can also develop your own calibrations with total autonomy. The Infraneo is scalable and can be connected to a test weight measurement module or to a moisture meter licensed by CHOPIN Technologies. It can also be integrated into the Gestar automatic grain analysis system. Made in France, the Infraneo has a customer base in over 70 countries. All across the world, technicians are available to train users, carry out maintenance and support equipment, and provide a rapid response to ensure a perfect quality of analysis. Find us at www.chopin.fr. With CHOPIN Technologies, keep control.